The following segment is sponsored by the Regional Water Providers Consortium.
This story is new at 4. The University of Portland campus was overrun with students today, but not college students. They're on spring break. These were fourth graders.
So, get your plankton just below the water. Okay. On your mark, get set, go.
That's just a burst of the activities of the 25th Annual Children's Clean Water Festival. 52 local fourth grade classes watched presentations, conducted hands-on experiments, and learned why water is a precious resource and how it gets to their homes. Great day for them.
Yeah, fun.
The following segment is sponsored by the Regional Water Providers Consortium.
Kids are a precious resource, and 1,400 of them had a great day at the University of Portland learning about another precious resource, and that's water.
I love water. It's my favorite drink. It helps us and it cleans us.
That was Trinity and MJ. They were just finishing up a class on water mains where they put accounting, engineering, and construction skills to the test to build a model pipeline. It was just one of dozens of presentations. Kids also learned about plankton, the life cycle of a raindrop. There was even a water taste test. All the activities and presentations fit into STEM and Common Core education concepts.
I think that the children at this age are just starting to learn about where they want to maybe go in life, and it's a good opportunity for them to maybe choose a career in water.
Local water employees led many of the presentations. There were also stations hosted by a lot of other entities, including the DEQ, Forest Service, and the USGS.
Boy, a lot was learned today. Yeah, no doubt. Dave Selesky with us. We're going to learn a lot about the weather, too.